So, yeah, hot water line broke, the main one, and I had to fix it. And most of this stuff is PEX underneath here in the crawl space. So, guess what? 40-year-old plus place, and seems like they did everything stupid. So, you see this? They used a radiator hose to actually for the line and connect it to PEX. And big old hole developed right here. Right here. Yeah, just gushing out the water. Totally done wrong, just like everything else in this place. So I've replaced almost all the water lines in the crawl space in the last 2 years. And of course, you want to get yourself some nice clamps here. And when you do the clamps, you want the right fittings. You don't want the plastic ones, you want the brass ones. Okay? And you want a good crimper. Now this good crimper right here has a little light there that turns blue. Right there. Turns blue when it's finally done the right amount of crimp on your clamp. Which I'm showing you right here. So, yeah. It seems like they just used whatever they could find. A radiator hose. Wow. And, well, at least the next person that buys this place will have things done right. Oh, by the way, why don't you just call a plumber? Nah, because it used to take 2.5 weeks to get anybody to show up here in the middle of nowhere. And now it takes 2 months plus. So, for all you preppers out there that want to talk a bunch of garbage, I'm going to tell you something right now. You know how to do this shit? You're not going to survive because nobody's going to come fix your plumbing, your electrical, and fix your car. You have to do it yourself. If you haven't noticed, there's a lot of jobs out there, there's nobody to fill them. Why? You know why. I shouldn't have to mention the thing in the arm. And guess what? I had to replace my water heater too. Who did it? Me. So, all you guys that they're talking about, oh, you need to stock up this and buy this stuff for 25 years of shelf life and blah, 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 blah. I'm tired of hearing it because I don't see none of you doing this real stuff, except for a few people. Green Acres does their own stuff. They do their own wiring, their own stuff. I've seen them take this modular home or trailer or whatever it is. And they've been doing stuff like putting new walls in, new floors. Another one like Anne Marie, I forget what she calls her channel now. Something tiny budget and whatever, but she's doing it. She replaced the whole floor in her place, the walls, electrical. She's been doing it. If you don't have these skills, people, it ain't gonna mean a damn. And there's another skill you need to learn too. Financial. If you are not being financially responsible and buying yourself physical silver and gold as a currency backup for when the currency collapses, you're just kidding yourself. They go to the digital dollar, blah, 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 blah. Well, that didn't work out so well there in Z-land, did it? Over there in China. Those people are revolting, and they had to bring out the tanks and the armies to get the people qualled down. Then they all of a sudden got rid of their mandates. Oh, you gotta do this, you gotta do that. But 90% of them have had that thingy in the arm, and they're still getting sicker than hell. Well, I don't think I can say much more except for get self-reliant. And that means learning how to do this stuff. And by the way, don't scrimp on a good crimping tool. If you have PEX lines or anything else, get the right one that will do the job correctly, even if it costs like maybe $20, $30 more. Because that's it. You've been warned.